Section 1. AI and the brain, a powerful connection. The human brain is the source of our thoughts, emotions, and memories. For decades, scientists have tried to understand and replicate its power in machines. This quest led to the development of artificial intelligence, or AI. One promising approach is the artificial neural network inspired by the brain's structure. These networks, made of interconnected neurons, can learn from experience. This learning ability makes them powerful, bringing us closer to understanding our intelligence. Imagine machines diagnosing diseases, self-driving cars, or robots performing surgeries. The future possibilities are endless. Section 2. Unveiling the magic inside artificial neural networks. Artificial neural networks are built on the concept of the perceptron, a digital neuron. It takes inputs, each with a weight, multiplies them, and sums them up. This sum passes through an activation function determining if the perceptron fires. Perceptrons are organized in layers: input, hidden, and output. Hidden layers process information, finding patterns and relationships. Connections between perceptrons have weights that influence information flow. During learning, the network adjusts these weights to refine responses. This process improves the network's accuracy over time. The magic happens in these hidden layers. Section 3. Learning and adapting how neural networks evolve. Artificial neural networks learn through backpropagation. This method compares the network's output to the desired output, calculating the error. The network adjusts its weights to minimize this error. This adjustment starts at the output layer and moves back to the input layer. Repeated iterations help the network identify patterns and make accurate predictions. This learning process is similar to how the human brain adapts. As we encounter new situations, our brains adjust neuron connections. Neural networks evolve in a similar way. Section 4. From pixels to predictions, neural networks in action. Neural networks have vast applications, especially in image recognition. They can recognize objects, faces, and emotions, advancing facial recognition, medical imaging, and self-driving cars. In natural language processing, they understand and generate human-like language. This powers virtual assistants, machine translation, and creative writing programs. Neural networks also contribute to finance, marketing, and cybersecurity. They detect fraudulent transactions, personalize marketing, and identify security threats. As technology evolves, more innovative applications will emerge. The impact of neural networks is expanding rapidly. Section 5. The future of intelligence, neural networks at the forefront. Rapid advancements in neural networks are driving AI progress. Understanding these systems unlocks new solutions for global challenges. One exciting area is artificial general intelligence, AGI, AI that learns and applies knowledge across tasks. Neural networks are key to achieving AGI. Researchers are developing new architectures and training methods. These could lead to AI capable of independent thought and creativity. Ethical implications are crucial. Responsible development is essential. Clear guidelines will harness AI's potential while mitigating risks. Section 6. A world transformed, embracing the potential of AI. The journey into neural networks showcases human ingenuity. These systems, inspired by the brain, can revolutionize many aspects of life. AI in healthcare, transportation, education, and entertainment will reshape our world. We must approach this revolution with excitement and caution. Embracing AI's power while addressing ethics can benefit humanity. The future holds immense possibilities with neural networks at the forefront. As we explore these tools, we open doors to a transformative future. Witnessing AI's evolution is an exciting time with profound impacts ahead.